What is up, everybody? Welcome to another video. Hope you're ready to rest those brain muscles. That's right, I said rest, because I've been flexing my brain muscles for 5 years straight now. And a few days ago, I walked across the stage with a cap and gown on, and in a couple months in the mail, I'll be getting a diploma that says Bachelor of Science in Applied Mathematics. So it's pretty surreal. It hasn't fully sunk in yet. I do have to take one class over the summer, but still, I'm here, I did it, and it feels amazing. I'm on top of the world right now. So I just wanted to let all my viewers and subscribers know what I've accomplished and, share this proudly. It is an awesome moment for me. And I also do have sort of a message for everyone watching, and I hate to get all sentimental on a YouTube channel that's about math, but I do have a message, and that is this. If what you're doing in life right now is not what you love, if you're not doing what you're passionate about, then stop doing it and start doing what you love, start doing what you're passionate about. And let me tell a little bit of my experience with this. 2.5 years ago, I was at sort of a crossroads. I couldn't figure out what I was doing. I knew what I was doing then is not something I necessarily really wanted to do. And I had to make the tough decision to change my major to math and to drop what I was doing and pursue what I was passionate about, all right? And there was a lot of fear behind this. There was a lot of doubt. There was a lot of stress and worry and all that stuff, and I just put one foot in front of the other, and I just kept walking, and I have not looked back since. And the accomplishments and the opportunities I've had along the way and the experiences and the people I've met and all this stuff, it's just been incredible. It's the best decision I've ever made in my life, and today I have a life that, it's just the best life I can imagine for myself. I get to do what I love every single day. I get to wake up in the morning, I get to learn math, I get to help other people learn math. It's just the most beautiful thing. So again, hate to get all sentimental, but if you're not doing what you love, start doing what you love. I honestly believe that people who do what they love and do what they're passionate about, the universe takes care of people like us, right? And we may not end up rich, we may not end up, with all the stuff we want to have, but at the end of the day, we get to live a life that we love and do what we love and be taken care of. I honestly believe that, and that's been my experience so far. I have faced adversity, I've had to jump over hurdles, it's all been taken care of, right? I've had to put in some work and do some stuff, but still, it all works out in the end. So that's the message I have for today. And along with that announcement, I also have another announcement, which is that in the fall, I'll be starting a PhD program in mathematics education, all right? So again, this is what I love. I love learning math and helping others learn math. So I figured this would be the perfect mix of not only learning math, but learning how to more effectively help others learn math, because this is the end goal, is I want to teach and I want to be involved in mathematics education. And my goal is to make an impact on, whether it's at a university or at a state level or national level or whatever it is, make an impact and improve the system and improve kids learning math in general, right? And I think that I can do that if I'm, work up to that point. But yeah, it's pretty awesome. I'll be a TA, so I'll get a stipend, and I'm moving to campus. I won't have to commute anymore. So, it's just, everything's working out so beautifully. And in August, I'll be a PhD student, and I'll be teaching and doing what I love every single day and getting paid for it. And it's been a long road to get here. It's been a long time coming, but I did it. So it's pretty awesome. I think hopefully my story maybe inspires someone to start doing what they love. Who knows? But for this video, I thought it would be cool to maybe show some of my experiences. I thought, okay, maybe I'll put together a slideshow type and show a bunch of photos and, put some music in the background and have that sort of thing. So I thought about it, and I was like, okay, in the background, I'll put the graduation song, right? Green Day, Good Riddance, Time of Your Life, whatever you want to call it. But I'm fairly new to YouTube, and I'm not really sure how the copyright stuff works, right? I'm worried that it'll get flagged or get removed. So I thought, okay, well, one thing I can do is I can learn the song myself, right? And I'll learn the song and I'll play it in a video, and I'll show some of my experiences as an undergraduate and as a math major and the cool things I've done and that sort of thing, and I'll play the song in the background. So yeah, this is a cool opportunity for me to show y'all something that I do when I'm not doing math. I do believe that life is about balance. You gotta have more than one thing that you do. You can't just wake up, do math, drink coffee all day, and then go to sleep. We're not machines or human beings. We gotta have things that we do, right? So this is one of the things I do to wind down, to sort of, it's like meditation for me. I get to relax and not worry about what's going on in the world or my homework or any of that stuff. So yeah, hopefully y'all enjoy, and hopefully y'all enjoy. Another turning point, a fork stuck in
you by the wrist and directs you where to go. So make the best of this test and know that's why. It's not a question but a lesson learned in time. It's something unpredictable, but in the end it's right. I hope you've had the time of your life. So take the photographs and still frames in your mind and hang them on the shelf in good health and good time. Tattoos on memories and dead skin on trial. For what it's worth, it was worth all the while. It's something unpredictable, but in the end it's right. I hope you've had the time of your life.
All right, if you made it to this point, thank you for watching. I do want to put a quick disclaimer and just say that this is all for fun. I don't claim to be any kind of musician. I'm just having fun with this video, so keep that in mind. But I do want to say thank you to all the people who've supported me, who've left positive comments. Thank y'all so much. Y'all motivate me to continue to make videos and to continue to push myself to make better and better quality content. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Got a lot of stuff to come. Calculus, discrete math, probability, linear algebra, some proofs, all kinds of stuff to come. So make sure to hit subscribe and hit that notification bell and stay tuned for next time. But until then, don't forget my message for today. Go do something you love. Go do what you're passionate about. You will not regret it. So that's all I got for today. See y'all in the next video.
All right, you ready?